Hello, so this is a message for Bruce. Hey Bruce, thank you very much for your support on eBay. I greatly appreciate it. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing how I'm going to be shipping out your order. I started to do these videos since I got a bunch of people saying they never got their item from me, so I'm using these videos to show how I pack and ship items and to essentially show why I offer a quote-unquote free shipping method versus charging people $20+ to ship out an item. So we got your order for Key and Peele Season 2 on Blu-ray. The one thing you'll first notice right away is I don't put the discs inside. I don't keep the discs inside the holder in the various cases because I'm always worried that the discs are going to get popped out and loose. So let me just resize this video here. So you see all my bad hair and all the random crap that's all behind me here. So I don't ship discs inside the case in the holder portion because I'm always worried that they're going to get popped out and scratched up when they swish around the case during shipping. So what I always do is I take the disc and I put it inside of a little paper sleeve. Here's the back of the disc. As you can see, it looks nice and clean. Let me turn the light on that's behind my screen here. So hopefully you can get a better view here. So you can see the light that I have just behind my screen there. So this looks nice and clean. Here's the front of the disc. I used a program called Make MKV to do a rip test of this disc to ensure that everything's good before I actually listed it to eBay. So I'm not going to recreate that in this video here, but you can see examples of how I rip test various media on my YouTube channel. So anyway, we got the disc in the paper sleeve right down here, being held in with the little clip here. I use my thermal printer for various things, including printing shipping labels, thank you notes, and so forth. It just makes things a little easier. So I have a little thank you note here. I'm actually just going to write thank you on the bottom here. And I'm going to put that right on top of the disc. So it's just held in like that. It's still on, it's not adhered to the case or anything like that. It's just inside like and so. So thank you very much for your support. I'm going to put that into a bubble mailer. Seal this up. I like to use additional little label to help hold that seal in place. I don't know about you, but I have had orders come in where the belt mailer, the flap wasn't adhered properly to the belt mailer itself. So in order to ensure that the flap stays sealed, I use my little like URL listings to hold that flap down in place. Let me just copy your information, which you provided from eBay. You did request Canada Post letter mail shipping, so obviously this does not come with tracking, does not come in insurance, and that's the reason why I mark it as free shipping. I do accept returns, however, the buyer has to pay for return tracked shipping. Like if I was to ship this out to you with tracking, if I went to say purchase a label on eBay, we change that to 100 grams. For whatever reason that was listed as 300 grams, which shouldn't have happened. So 25 18.2 is going to be the dimensions of your package right here. This would have cost me $23.04 to ship to you with tracking with Canada Post. So obviously that's not going to be feasible for such a low value item. FedEx Ground was going to charge $26.57. So obviously sending via letter mail is obviously a more cost effective manner, and I'm pretty sure since you got a fair amount of feedback on eBay, you know how good letter mail can be, and it can actually be faster than tracked shipping. So if we scroll down this page here, let me just make my video here a little bit smaller. We can see that after eBay fees, which in this case were $3.76, I get to keep $19.54. So if I took out the calculator here, I took $19.54 and I minus the cost of a bubble mailer as well as time to test and polish the disc using my JFG Easy Pro, will take off 30 cents. So minus 0.3, and the cost of shipping is going to be $1.94 minus 1.94. I get to keep $17.03 after eBay all said and done for your order. So Bruce, thank you very much for your order. That Monday, since it's the weekend, Canada Post isn't usually open in my area, so I have to wait till Monday before I can ship this out. But I'll be marking it as shipped and adding it to the box of stuff I have to take down to Canada Post on Monday. So again, Bruce, thank you very much for your support and your understanding in regards to letter mail shipping. Wish you all the best, and please do feel free to leave me like, share, subscribe here on YouTube, eBay, Facebook, wherever the case may be. And yeah, I'll see you in your next order. If you do have several items that you do or are thinking about purchasing from me, send me a message. I can create a new listing for those items and get an appropriate weight, shipping materials, and so like that. Get a better deal for you going. Anyway, thanks very much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. All the best.